I am not a financial advisor. These videos are all meant for educational purposes only. All Complete Trader Academy videos are my personal opinion and perspective. Trading carries a high level of risk, and all results are your own responsibility. Please always demo first. Hey everybody, welcome back to Complete Trader Academy's daily review. Today is July 5th, Wednesday, 2023. Hope y'all had a good holiday weekend in America. All right, so let me try to jump in with Monday and Tuesday as well real quick. So Monday, we had this day here. Nice sells from Asia coming back. Didn't break that low. I'm in the 4 hour here, the 1 hour, 1 day chart here. And then this was a nice sell in Asia. And then this was a nice buy as well on Monday. And then came all the way up and then came into 50% almost of this wick right here. Another sell right there. Caught that sell down. So I'm trying, logic here is that I want to make a leg down, kind of like the lower lows and lower highs here. I'm going to do things a little bit different now, taking a step back from the actual course a little bit, but I'm going to pretty much focus on myself more. At the same time, I'm going to now hold trades a little bit because I have things to do. So what I'm going to do is just, instead of taking the money all the time, I'm going to kind of like play the higher time frame structure a little bit more on the medium side. So lower low, lower high, that was the intention of the sell. And then that was Tuesday, yesterday here. Price stopped, but I stayed in the trade. And then it came all the way down up until about 9:30 is when it was time for the buy. So I made a lower low. And my whole idea is, if you look on the daily, I'm trying to the idea of these trades are to fill these inefficiencies of price, right? You got two back-to-back daily imbalances. So the goal is to lower low, lower high, structure down into it. As far as it breaking underneath here with all this liquidity, if you look on the 4 with this liquidity and getting into here, yes, I would like to come in here, but at the same time, this could take forever. So in the meantime, these are my close targets that I'm looking at. So, and then the intention of keeping this staying with keeping a lower high here. So, and then that was yesterday. And then let me go into a smaller time frame. You can kind of see this. And if you look, this is in this window in the 1 hour is in regular trading hours, so it's showing the gaps. Okay, so here I'm gonna try to maybe zoom in with this, and then maybe you can see it clear. So when we dropped, this was Friday, we had that drop there. So I took this sell even here and took this buy up to here. And then here, so my intention was to get a nice lower high, which this is it. It came inside this wick. If I switch this to a 1 hour, you'll see here that we came right into the open of that wick. And then my intention is to take a sell. Yes, it's the end of the day, for the day, but I knew that would pan out. So, see if I could do this without getting lost here. But maybe if I zoom back this way, yeah. So you'll see it coming here on a 1 hour. And here we have this block. You see the bodies starting to exhaust, respecting, and then you get this last pull up. Took the sell there, and sure enough, we came down. Now this is now Tuesday. So Tuesday's playing around. I'm still in the trade, holding it for the next day. And then now here, right here, this is Tuesday turning into Wednesday, which is today. And sure enough, price kept coming down, coming down, coming down. So this is my lower low. Can keep this simple. I made a lower low, take the profit, and take the buy at 9:30. Sure enough, and then just so you can see it, here is a screenshot of that trade that we took, as I mentioned, and then I could only screenshot it up to here. It went to about 240 points. So in this case, that'd be $2,400. And then you'll start to see this shift happening here for a buy. Now, I didn't get a chance to screenshot the buy. But take a look, very easy. Got a shift of structure right there, retrace right back into an imbalance and a block. Very nice. This is a 5 minute, so it was on a lower time frame. Beautiful. This retrace doesn't scare me. I'm looking for a lower high. I'm looking to build a lower high. So I'm taking this, I'm swinging this, right? Boom, get out, get into the sell. Nice sell right there. You can see it. Actually, this was not supposed to be here. So as you see, I'm still in the trade, right? It's at 87 points. Yeah, it was down here at about 120 points value, maybe almost 130 points value. But then it retraced. And I wasn't scared of this retrace because I'm going to now hold these trades, meaning I'm going to take these lower lows, take the money, I'm going to buy it, take the money, and you're only going to get to see me stay in these trades for this sell because I'm going to make a lower low, right? We also have price imbalance right here on this gap. And then we also, when this price came down here, this hit 50% of this gap. So that's a nice time to take profit. And I want to see this previous daily imbalance, which is right here. I want to see this hold as a resistance. So we went above it and then we come below it. And then I want to see it kind of bounce underneath here one last time. So I'll take this trade that I'm in. I'm going to hold it until we make a lower low, which what is the whole point of this conversation is I want to come and fill up the rest of this imbalance here on the daily that's sitting right there. That's my first target there. And then I want to make a lower high somewhere back in here. We'll get a displacement. We get a big nice gap in there. Somewhere it comes up into this block here in the future. I'm talking future time. To then mosey on our way down to here. Might see a big bounce from here, but ultimately I would like to take that out. But as a minimum, this is where I'd like to be taking the trades too. So we'll see how the rest goes. But yeah, beautiful day. And where are we? We're still in the trade. And normally I would have. So when the sell came down and it came to here, normally I would take this profit. I would take the trade and be done. I'm trying to do things different. It's hard to help people while I'm trading. So I'm going to try to do, my old school, intraday swing, medium time frame swing trading. It's generally what I show you, but it's just hard to do this shit live. So yeah, pretty much. And so I could have took the profit here, but didn't. But because I'm expecting what? I'm expecting to finish this imbalance at the least. And what it will accomplish is a lower low. So then I can retrace back up, and it might even come back up here to take out this liquidity sitting here, or a nice big, run on price if we get a gap here. It's okay, but I'm going to be flowing this way from now on. So, all right, I think that's good enough. I hope this helps. You guys take care, and until tomorrow, God bless.